Kia ora! Welcome to the second lesson on the agent emphatic. Today, we'll look at past tense. If you haven't already, I recommend watching the first video on the agent emphatic, future tense. This will explain what the agent emphatic is, as it does not exist in English. To start, let's look at how to form the question, who called? To ask, who called, we start the sentence with nā. Then we put the word why, which means who. After that, we put the word I. It's the combination of the words nā and I that form the agent emphatic. At the end, we put the verb. Waia means to call. Nā wai I waia. Who called? To answer the question, if the agent is aho, me, koe, you, or ia, him, her, we have to change the words nā wai like this. Nāku I waia. I called. Nāu I waia. You called. Nāna I waia. He or she called. If the agent is someone else, we simply replace the word why with the agent. For example, Nā te tāne I waia. The man called. Nā Maria I waia. Maria called. Nā maua ko Ana I waia. Anna and I called. We can add who they called after the agent. For example, Nāku koe I waia. I called you. Nāu ia I waia. You called her. Nāna te kaiako I waia. She called the teacher. Nā te tāne tōna wahine I waia. The man called his wife. Nā Maria a rewi I waia. Maria called Rewi. Before a proper noun, we have to put a. This rule only applies to the subject with the agent emphatic, not to the agent. Let's practice, while also learning some new words. Whai means to chase. Nā wai te kiore I whai. Who chased the mouse? Nā te ngeru te kiore I whai. The cat chased the mouse. Mo means to put on. Nā wai te kōti I mo. Who put on the coat? Nā te māma te kōti I mo. The mother put on the coat. Hoko means to buy. Nā wai te miraka I hoko. Who bought the milk? Nāna te miraka I hoko. She bought the milk. Mā takitaki means to watch. Nā wai te ātaata I mā takitaki. Who watched the video? Nāu te ātaata I mā takitaki. You watched the video. There you have it. Now you know how to use the agent emphatic in the past tense. In the next lesson, we'll look at how to negate the agent emphatic, future and past. Ka kite!